All right, we've got all of these lines hooked up. They're all in these drips up here. Got them just tied off down there. I'm probably going to put another header up there. So now it's time to see if it works. So we'll put it on auto, manual. Oh, that'll give me 10 minutes. And here we go. You hear it? There she goes. And you can see all these lines start to fill up. These flat tapes will turn round. Make sure they're all on. Yes, they are. You can see this just dripping little by little. This gets all the water to the plants because they'll have landscape fabric on top of this. And this puts out, that's got a little drip. Got to fix that. Now you can see that these lines are all filling up. There are going to be plants in between each one of these. And I've got it made to where I can also turn off one of these strips if I think I'm getting too much water and only one tape will work. Better safe than sorry. Tape's pretty cheap. I think this whole big roll here, 1,000 feet, was about 60 bucks online. So, success. See how we're doing down here. Yep, we're dripping, even down at the end. So that's good. Each one of these is 12 inches apart. So here and here. I have to run this a while at this rate. That's okay. Doesn't have to be fast. We can do it at night. Next step, landscape fabric.